gonna do today? Yesterday, our Samsung microwave stopped working, and so this morning I tried it again, tried several different things, unplugged it, replugged it, and turned it on and heard loud popping. It's not heating, and now it's not even working. It popped a fuse, so I am going to replace this little puppy with a brand new Samsung microwave. So we'll be taking this old one out and seeing if we can get this new one in before the kids get home today. Fun times ahead. There's the empty box. There's the new microwave. Still have some packing material on there. We'll leave that for now. Looks fairly similar to what we're gonna put in over there. So let's read some of the instructions, make sure that I'm not missing anything. Should be real similar to what I had to do to put that one in several years ago, but make sure that there isn't anything new. Next up, let's get this old one out of here. I put a box down here so that when I undo the screws and everything here, this will always catch it if I can't hold it. So we'll give that a try, see what happens. Okay, so I did a fit test, and what I was hoping for was that this being a Samsung and that one being a Samsung, that they'd have similar brackets, and yes they do. Although this bracket is fairly large and the replacement bracket is fairly small, but I just confirmed that the new one will fit into each of these tabs down here. So what I need to do now is check to see if these holes are in the right spot, and I've got a template for that, and I'll check. And then I also need to take these fans and flip them around, because this is not an exhaust out the back or out the top. It's going to be an exhaust out this thing here. So that's one of three options I have there. So I'll be removing that, flipping these fans around so they blow forward, and then I'll be taking my template and checking to see if my holes are lined up there. Okay, so after using this template several times and verifying the measurements, I think I know where the hole needs to go. I've got it marked much better there and there. And then I've also cross-referenced the measurements on the template, which was here, to make sure that everything lines up, because I want to get this right. And I've got my 1/2-inch drill bit that I'll be attaching to my drill shortly. All right, the new microwave has been installed. Just ran it for 30 seconds. Got some warm water. Turntable works great. Haven't put the tray in here yet. I don't know if we'll ever do that. And I need to set the time. I've got different settings for the fan, which is nice. 4 different settings. Air is blowing out up here. We can turn that off. And then we've got different settings for the light below. And off. Now to set the time. Fun time.